Welcome to another fascinating episode here on the channel. Today, we're going to dive into the incredible world of defense strategies in the animal kingdom. Imagine yourself in the shoes of an animal facing constant danger from predators. What would you do to survive? In this video, we will explore the most impressive and innovative techniques that animals use to defend themselves, ensuring their survival in wild and often hostile environments. Get ready to discover the survival secrets that make the natural world a place of constant innovation and adaptation. Animal defense strategies are essential for survival in a world where predators are always on the prowl. These tactics can be as simple as camouflage or as complex as chemical defense mechanisms. The primary objective is to avoid being eaten. In the animal kingdom, each species has developed a unique way of protecting itself, adapted to the specific threats in its environment. Some animals, like chameleons, change the color of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, while others, like turtles, have hard shells that protect against physical attacks. Camouflage is one of the most common and fascinating defense strategies. Animals like the pine caterpillar use this technique to look like inanimate objects like twigs or leaves, making them almost undetectable to predators. This ability to hide in plain sight demonstrates an incredible synchrony with the environment, where color, texture, and even shape can be decisive for survival. On the other hand, some animals adopt the strategy of fake eyes on their wings or bodies, creating the illusion of being larger and more threatening creatures to scare predators before an attack. In addition to camouflage, chemical defense offers powerful protection. The bombardier beetle, for example, mixes chemicals in its body to create an explosive reaction, releasing a hot, toxic jet to ward off its enemies. This is an impressive demonstration of how chemistry can be used as a weapon in nature. Other animals, such as snakes, use venom to paralyze or kill their predators or prey, an approach that highlights the diversity of defense tools available in the animal arsenal. Intimidation is another frequently used tactic. Animals like the peacock spread their large, colorful tails to appear larger and more threatening. Although this behavior is also used in mating rituals, it serves as an excellent defense mechanism as it turns a vulnerable creature into an intimidating spectacle. Likewise, some fish and reptiles may inflate their bodies or display bright colors to warn of their toxicity or discourage an imminent attack. Animals have developed some of the most ingenious defense strategies throughout evolution, adapting in surprising ways to survive in hostile environments. Nature is a battlefield where innovation often means the difference between life and death. For example, some cephalopods, like the octopus, use incredibly advanced camouflage tactics. They not only change the color, but also the texture of their skin to resemble the rocky or sandy environment in which they hide, making them almost undetectable to predators and prey. Additionally, some species have adopted defensive behaviors that involve simulating death or dramatizing serious injuries to discourage predators. This tactic, known as thanatosis, is used by several animals, including the opossum, which can lie completely still and give off an odor of decay to convince predators that it is not a fresh or attractive meal. These sophisticated methods illustrate the complexity of defense strategies and how vital they are to the survival of countless species in the animal kingdom. Komodo dragons have a unique approach to defense and hunting. Although they are powerful predators, they also use their poisonous saliva as a form of defense. If threatened, they can bite an opponent, injecting venom that can cause shock and blood clotting, allowing them to escape larger predators or groups of competitors. This spider, found mainly in Australia, builds a silken structure that looks like a sack hanging from the web. When threatened, the spider curls up inside this sack, posing as bird poop or other debris, thus avoiding detection by predators looking for a meal. This beetle has an extremely hard shell, which it uses both for defense and for battles with other males during the mating season. When a predator tries to eat the beetle, it retreats into its impenetrable shell, which is tough enough to withstand the pressure of bites from much larger animals. Nudibranchs are colorful mollusks known for their beauty, but their vibrant colors aren't just for show, they serve as a warning. Many nudibranchs accumulate toxins or stinging cells from their prey, such as anemones and corals, in their own bodies, making them extremely unpleasant or dangerous to predators trying to eat them. This defense allows them to discourage predators without the need for an active fight. The adoption of defense strategies by animals not only affects their chances of individual survival, but also shapes the ecological dynamics of their habitats. Predator-prey interactions are fundamental to ecological balance and biodiversity. When a prey animal develops an effective defense technique, it can reduce predatory pressure on its population, allowing it to thrive and expand its ecological range. This, in turn, can force predators to adapt their own strategies, whether by improving their hunting techniques or exploring new food sources. This cycle of continuous adaptation is a driver of species evolution and diversification. For example, the evolution of harder shells in certain mollusks led to corresponding developments in predators that needed stronger jaws or smarter methods of accessing protected meat. Likewise, the ability of some animals to detect defense chemicals can lead to an evolutionary arms race where both predators and prey are constantly developing new adaptations to outdo each other. Furthermore, defense strategies can have direct implications for species conservation. Understanding how animals defend themselves helps conservationists develop more effective strategies to protect endangered species. In many cases, the protection of a particular animal may depend on in-depth knowledge of how it interacts with predators and other elements of its ecosystem. For example, conserving habitats that support a rich diversity of flora may be crucial to the survival of species that rely on camouflage to hide from predators. As we explore the incredible and diverse defense tactics in the animal kingdom, we gain not only a greater appreciation for the complexity and beauty of nature, but also valuable insights into the very essence of life and survival. Each strategy reveals a unique facet of the struggle for existence, reminding us of the resilience and ingenuity that are common to all forms of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of animal defense. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to the next.